Elevate your living space with the trendiest designs of 2024. From sustainable green living to the futuristic allure of smart homes, this video is your ticket to a home transformation like never before. Stay tuned! It's time to usher in the new and let go of what's outdated. Buckle up because the new year is bursting with the thrilling future of home decor and design. So, if you're ready to bid farewell to the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary, here are the most captivating interior design trends of 2024. What are the sizzling interior design trends for 2024? We've kept an eye on the best in the interior industry and spotted a few recurring home decorating trends and exciting new waves coming, too. The interior design world will certainly embrace character, a connection to nature, and sustainable practices. Any other trends align with the principles emitted by this powerful trio. Here is a pro tip. Match your favorite interior design trends in 2024 to your style. Do you know yours? Try an interior design style quiz. It can help you pinpoint which trends complement your personal style. Nature-inspired reigns supreme as designers, homeowners, and businesses gravitate towards bringing the outdoors in. We're talking lush greenery, earthy colors, eco-friendly materials, and an oh-so-soothing atmosphere. It's fitting, too, as sustainability is also cementing its spot in 2024's interior design trends. Along with these, maximalism and personality-rich interiors are also climbing the ranks. Hottest interior design trends 2024, unveiling the future. Step into the future of interior design, where creativity knows no bounds and innovation takes the reins. In 2024, interiors will become a canvas for self-expression and functional enhancement. Let's explore the top trends capturing hearts and homes. Let's start with the first trends in our list. Green living breathes in freshness. Green living is more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle. In 2024, eco-conscious interior design will take center stage, enveloping many other trends. Biophilic elements, sustainable materials, and living walls will bring the outdoors in. Nature-inspired elements and design improve well-being, highlight a connection with nature, and awaken a sense of responsibility toward the environment. Embracing the trend could be as easy as keeping windows bare to delight in the view, including pot plants, and being environmentally conscious in your design choices. The second trend is smart homes bring the future to your fingertips. Smart technology continues to revolutionize how we live. Technology will seamlessly integrate into our surroundings in the coming year, enhancing comfort and convenience even more. From voice-activated lighting design trends and smart glass to AI-driven home management, these innovations make daily life easier, more efficient, and undeniably cool. Unique tiles make a statement. Tiles will make a statement in 2024, from wall to floor. Expect oversized, large-scale tiles with a high tactile quality and handmade, unique decor like Zellage tiles. Dramatic patterns, new compositions, and unexpected layouts will add a sense of grandeur and personality to spaces. Plus, flooring and wall tiles can make just as stunning a focal point as a typical feature wall. The home office becomes permanent. One of the interior trends of 2024 sure to stick around is productivity. The home office isn't going anywhere, it's becoming a permanent fixture in homes. With remote work here to stay, people are investing in ergonomic furniture, soundproofing, and stylish design to make their workspaces more functional and inspiring. And that's why furniture and decor for these spaces are also branching out. So, you can look forward to stunning office chairs, bespoke lighting, and much more to make these interiors stand out and fit your every need. traditional is redefined for contemporary appeal. Traditional design gets a fun makeover in 2024. We're seeing a return of classic elements, but with a fresh twist. Now, timeless spaces also embrace contemporary functionality and atmosphere. How? Ornate furniture can complement an eclectic layout but also feel toned down and casual, typical of modern interiors. Smart living can also merge the charm of the past with the comforts of the future. Natural lighting embraces sunshine all day. In line with the green trend of inviting the outdoors, lighting follows suit. In fact, a sunny ambience is the ultimate design accessory in 2024. Welcome the benefits of natural light into your home. Think of large windows, skylights, and strategically placed mirrors that amplify the effect. Not only do naturally lit interiors feel inviting and airy, but they also encourage vitamin D production, focus, and well-being. You can maximize natural light with a light color scheme and reflective surfaces, like mirrors and shimmery accent pillows. Warm minimalism evokes serene simplicity. Something is soothing and alluring about smooth surfaces and neat interiors. Clutter-free and simplified living spaces never go out of style, they only get better and better. One of the most balanced interior trends of 2024 is warm minimalism. This serene design style promotes mindfulness and slowing down. It perfectly balances simplicity, functionality, comfort, and style. Character-rich interior design trends 2024. Finally, authenticity is becoming a key pillar for interior design and will stick around beyond the trends of 2024. Character and personality attract, and when it comes to interiors, what's unique draws you in as every piece tells a story. Vintage finds, artisanal craftsmanship, and personalized decor bring warmth and individuality to homes. Here is a pro tip for you. Let your home reflect your personality and likes. Focus on embracing the beauty of imperfections, of becoming, and highlighting your unique preferences. Home Decor Trends 2024, peek into the new world of style. The future of home decor is here, where creativity knows no bounds and innovation redefines the very essence of living spaces. Here's a sneak peek into 2024 home decor trends that will elevate your interior design game. Dopamine decor and joyful aesthetics. Dopamine decor creates spaces that trigger happiness and delight. Bold, vibrant colors, whimsical patterns, and playful elements take the spotlight. This trend is immensely appealing because it taps into the human desire for joy and positivity, making every day feel like a celebration. Mid-century modern shows timeless elegance. Mid-century modern holds onto its everlasting appeal straight through 2024. Its timeless allure lies in the perfect blend of sleek lines, organic shapes, and functional design. These pieces are not just aesthetically pleasing but also tell the story of an era that valued nature, simplicity, and innovation. Unique and organic shaped mirrors. Mirrors with organic, irregular shapes or oversized dimensions are in vogue because they can make a bold statement in any room. These mirrors add depth, intrigue, and a touch of glamour, making spaces feel larger and more inviting. Plus, it's one of the 2024 home decor trends that is easiest to include in your interior. Chunky accents for playful sophistication. Go big and playful. Chunky and fun accents like oversized vases, sculptural furniture, and quirky decor pieces are capturing hearts for 2024. They add a touch of whimsy to any space while still exuding sophistication. This is the way to go if you want to infuse personality and style. But be sure to keep your design balanced by pairing it with smaller accents or more subdued tones. Curvilinear and flowy furniture. Thanks to its effortless elegance and complementing forms, flowy furniture with organic shapes and curvilinear designs is all the rage. Whether it's a round sofa, sweeping chaise, or Art Nouveau lamp, these pieces offer comfort and visual appeal, making them popular for creating a harmonious and inviting atmosphere. Curvy, flowy shapes are also set on dressing home decor trends beyond 2024. Unique rugs lay art underfoot. Rugs aren't just floor coverings, they're works of art. Unique, eye-catching rug designs will add personality and warmth to any space. Similar to other 2024 home decor trends, statement rugs can transform a room, creating a focal point that ties the entire scheme together. Soft sculptural light illuminates artwork. Hidden lights and sculptural lighting fixtures will elevate interiors the world over. They can add an artistic touch and a pleasant ambience while providing functional illumination. These home decor trends of 2024 pave the way to making a statement, turning an ordinary space into something mesmerizing. As we conclude our exploration of the top home design trends for 2024, it's clear that this year is all about embracing a harmonious blend of innovation, sustainability, and timeless elegance. From the fresh breath of green living to the futuristic convenience of smart homes and the redefined charm of traditional elements, each trend brings its unique flavor to the table. Whether you're considering a home office overhaul, aiming for the serene simplicity of warm minimalism, or looking to infuse your space with joyful aesthetics, the possibilities are as diverse as your imagination allows. Remember, these trends are not rigid rules, but rather invitations to express your individuality within the ever-evolving canvas of interior design. As you embark on your own home transformation journey, we encourage you to mix and match these trends to create a space that truly reflects your personality and lifestyle. Don't be afraid to experiment with unique tiles, explore the artistic potential of rugs, or bask in the allure of organic-shaped mirrors. Let your home be a testament to your creativity and a sanctuary that resonates with positive energy. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey into the future of home design. If you enjoyed this video and found inspiration for your own space, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting content. Here's to a year filled with creativity, comfort, and the joy of making your home uniquely yours. Until next time, happy decorating!